Hey everybody, this is First Warning Storm Team Chief Meteorologist Brad Panovich. Just take a quick look at what's going on out there tonight. I want to give you an update on the severe weather before many of you head to bed, or maybe you're up late tonight. The severe weather threat's diminished, but it's not zero, as we like to say. And a couple things are going on that would make me think we could still get an isolated strong storm here and there. The first thing you notice, it's almost midnight, or it is midnight now, and it's 64 degrees in Charlotte with a dew point of 59 degrees. That's unbelievable warm and humid for this time of year. I mean, it's just unheard of here in the month of January. We still got some strong storms back to the west. There's a little bit of lightning back there. I'm taking a look at the radar right now, and you can see there's a few lightning strikes showing up back in this region. Nothing too severe right now, but with those dew points pushing well into the 60s, it's likely we could see some strong storms. This is the Cape, or what we call thunderstorm fuel. Still pretty active back here in Tennessee and western parts of North Carolina into North Georgia. When you start taking a look at some of the dew point temperatures, there's still, those are 850 mil. These are dew point temperatures. We still got a lot of moisture here building in. So for the next couple of hours, it's not a big threat, but any one of these storms back to the west could produce some strong, possibly some severe storms. And I think the main threat is going to be straight line winds. I'm not looking at isolated tornado threat. There's just not as much spin in the atmosphere, and these aren't very deep storms, but you can never rule out an isolated tornado in these setups, kind of similar to what we saw back on the 11th in Burke County under these upper lows. Sometimes you can get a little spin up, but these storms back into Tennessee, Kentucky are very strong, but they're moving away from us. The ones we got to watch are right here over North Georgia into the upstate of South Carolina. So before you go to sleep tonight, if you have a NOAA weather radio, make sure you leave the alarm on for your county and your SAM code in case a warning is issued. And if you have our smartphone app or you have a smartphone, make sure it's fully charged, sitting next to your bed, and you're ready to grab it if you have to. We'll send out the alerts via Facebook and Twitter, and of course, if we have to, we'll break right back in and give you that information. Don't really think about it too much. If you get a tornado warning in the middle of the night, as always, go to the lowest floor of your house, an interior room away from the outside walls and windows, and make sure you keep your head down. You need to protect your head. I don't think we'll see that issue, but just to be on the safe side, want to give you an update. By the morning commute, most of this rain is going to be moving out of here, so you will hear the rain overnight, but clearing skies tomorrow and then turning cold late in the day. The other thing I should mention is pretty windy out there. South winds tonight about 30 to 40 miles an hour, so you may hear a lot of wind. It may not be a thunderstorm. It may just be the winds wrapping around this area of low pressure. Hope you have a great night, and of course, if anything changes, I'll update you online.